How to bind your phone number in Heyoo. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching how to bind your phone number in Heyoo. So to bind your phone number in Heyoo, all we need to do is open up our Heyoo account right here. Once you open up our Heyoo account right here, next thing we need to do is click on right over here on the settings icon on the top right corner. As you can see right there, you see that to find that, just go to your home right there, and not home, like bottom right here on your profile, then click on settings on the top right corner. There you go. As you can see, once you click on the settings on the top right corner, you will see here. Once you're here, you will see account settings right here. Account security right here at your settings. Just click on account security right there. So here at account security, as you can see, phone on bond. Press on the bond, your phone right there, and then now choose a number, and then after choosing a number right there, you must first put in number. After you put in the number, you can now send a verification code right there. Then you can now enter your password. Then once you've done that and all of that, you will see their bond, like your phone number has now been bond here on Heyoo. So there you go guys, that's how you do it. That's how you bond your phone number here on Heyoo. So and then all you need is go back and then you're done. Your account has now been bond. So there. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions or maybe concerns, you can always type it down in the comment below guys, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on how to rock it guys. And there you guys. Thank you guys.